Today we're going to talk about how to use adjectives in Spanish. We talked about this in sixth grade, and we're going to continue talking about it because it is very different than how we use adjectives in English. So in order to use adjectives in Spanish, you need to be aware of the types of nouns in Spanish. And there are 4 types of nouns. There are singular masculine nouns. There are singular feminine nouns. There are plural masculine nouns, and there are plural feminine nouns. Now, some of you might not realize, how do you identify whether or not it's singular or masculine, or singular or plural, or feminine or masculine? And so if you look at the end here, the L, if you ever see a noun with L in front of it, that tells you that it is singular and masculine. And same with the law, the los, and the las. Now, why is it important that you know what kind of noun you have? Because every kind of noun needs an adjective that agrees with it. So if you have a singular masculine noun, you need a singular masculine adjective. Many adjectives end in O, and when they do, to make an adjective agree, you follow these rules. If you have an L noun and your adjective ends in O, you're going to keep the O at the end. If you have a la noun and an adjective that ends in O, you're going to change the O to A. If you're describing a los noun, so a plural masculine noun, you're going to add an S at the end of the O. And if you're describing las nouns, you're going to change the O to AS. And again, this is only for adjectives that end in O, and as other adjectives do not end in O. Now, if the adjective does not end in O, all you need to worry about is if it's singular or plural. So if it's singular, you just leave it as it is. And if it's plural, so if your noun starts with los or las, you're going to add an S to words that ends in vowels. You're going to add an ES to words that end in consonants.